Hey guys, what's up? It's Tiffany Riley, and I thought I would do a makeup tutorial for you guys today. So let's get started. As you guys know, the season premiere of The Voice premiered last night, which I am super hyped about, and everything. And I was and Kelly Clarkson's makeup was so fierce and so badass. I decided to do a recreation of it, and so yeah, let me just say it looks bomb ass. I'm just saying. So if you want to know how I recreated the look, just keep watching. Alright, so for primer, I used the Anew Hydrafusion Gel Cream by Avon. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of this. I also use this in my nightly routine. So just use that on the eyes and everything. And everything like that. Alright, so we are going to be grabbing, I'm going to be grabbing the Mirage palette by Color Story. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, a crease brush, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be taking the shade Maui. And I'm going to be placing that on my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat head brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Mirage, which is this shimmery pink color, and I'm going to apply it on the lids. And you want to blend these two colors together to make it more of a, I guess, kind of like a shimmery kind of thing, like an ombre shimmer. Next thing I'm going to be taking is the Positive Vibes Only palette from Avon and an angle brush. We are going to be taking a purple, black, shimmery color. These shades don't have names, unfortunately. And we're going to take also an angle brush, and we're going to kind of make a wing right at the center. Or the corner. Next, I'm going to be taking the Glimmershadow Liquid Eyeshadow by Avon, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. And I'll be applying that a little bit onto the lid. You only need a little bit just to give it kind of a little bit of a shimmer. Alright, next thing we're going to be taking is mascara. I am using the Avon True Color Super Extend Nourishing Mascara in black. You really don't need a lot because this look is already bold. So just a little bit is all you need. And last but not least, of course, is lips. Now, I don't know if Kelly wore any lipstick or anything, but just to kind of make this a little bit pretty, I'm going to be taking Revlon's Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Obsession. It's a pretty pink color. Plus it matches this entire look. And what I like to usually do is I like to just take a piece of like some tissue and everything and just kind of blot my lip. Because sometimes you would have too much product on. Don't need a lot, so. This is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. This is part of my Spring Lookbook 2020. All my other tutorials will be in the description below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my newsletter. You'll be the first to receive when I upload new articles, videos, etc., etc. I love you guys. Hope you're having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you later.